This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, September 4th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a system moving through the Great Plains into the Northern Rockies and the Prairie provinces of Canada. It's being held up by this large ridge over the southeastern, about half of the country. And the front's going to be trying to move into the state at this point today with some showers and thunderstorms. Better chances will be further to our north, but we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm in the afternoon over our western counties. Then this front will slowly move through the state here Thursday night into Friday. And you can see showers and thunderstorms still could be possible, especially in our southeastern half of the state. Highs will be dropping from the 80s today into the upper 60s and middle 70s on Friday. And then Saturday, it's going to be a wonderful weekend. Plenty of sunshine. Could see a very early morning shower in our far southeastern counties. Otherwise, partly to mostly sunny both Saturday and Sunday. Highs roughly around the upper 60s to the middle to upper 70s. Be lower humidity. It will feel great. Lows at night will be way down into the 40s and then rising up into at least the 50s by Saturday night and into Sunday night. Monday, though, the winds turn southerly and here comes the rain again. A new storm system moving in Montana, North Dakota. Bit of moisture across at least the western counties of the state. And this will be moving through here on Tuesday. You can also see a frontal system coming down from Canada. Big Canadian high pressure diving in, and that's going to bring some cooler conditions for the middle of next week. You can see that here as that front sweeps through here on Wednesday. High pressure still pretty much over the prairie provinces of Canada. Few isolated showers around the northern plains and the western Great Lakes. Better chances across the Ohio Valley. You see this trough digging across the western Great Lakes here as we go into next Thursday. A ridge is beginning to form on the west coast, and it's still holding tough across the southern tier of the country. You can see, still could see some widely scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Better chances across the southeast with the daytime heating, and some monsoonal flow continuing over the desert southwest as well. Going into the extended period on September the 15th, we still have a ridge over the west, a trough over the east. A northwesterly flow coming out of Canada that's going to keep the temperatures slightly below seasonal levels, likely in the lower or middle 70s if this is right. Average high temperatures by this point in the middle of September would be in the middle 70s, give or take a couple of degrees. Better chances of showers would be across the south and across the central and eastern Great Lakes. But then the storm track moves north again as we go to the 19th, the end of the forecast. Pretty much nothing going on from about the northern tier of the country south. Fairly calm, fairly quiet, very weak steering currents, a few showers popping up here and there. Frontal system trying to dive in from the north with a high pressure north of Winnipeg, and we'll have to see if this continues on future model runs. Satellite image from last evening, we had a few clouds and a few showers across the northern high plains, western Great Lakes, the southeast, and a little bit of a monsoonal flow over southern Arizona. Otherwise fairly calm and quiet and clear across the country. Watch warning map from last evening, we had a flash flood watch over northern Georgia, heat advisory in and around St. Louis, severe thunderstorm watch over North Dakota, a frost advisory in northwest Montana, and some red flag warnings in the west. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here could range between about a quarter to 1 inch. Some places may get more, some places may get less. The desert southwest is going to get quite a bit of rain, which could lead to some flash flooding.